Yo, what is up guys, it's that boy 123 here, back with another video. Today I'm here with another video. This time I've got a face cam here, so hi, this is me. If you didn't know, this is my new screen recorder, so the link will be in the description and you can put both on, so give me a couple seconds. Okay, now I should be up here guys. And yeah, so today we're here back with another Roblox video. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox jacket. It's very easy actually, and yeah. So let's go into here, and you've got to type in Roblox jacket PNG. So it'll be one of the top ones if you search it a bit. Plus you don't need any Builders Club to undo this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So now you want to go down and choose which one that you want. Make sure that it's one like this one. Ooh. So make sure it's like this. So you want to go to view image, and then you've got the image here. So now you want to go to snipping tool, and it will be there. Hopefully, if you've done it right. Then now you want to go to new, and you want to do it, but this isn't actually the t-shirt I want, but I'm just showing you this. This is what you need to make sure it is. So I'll close this window, because you need to make sure that it's quite square, not too thin. So let's do this one then. Ooh, one thing. View image. Okay, now open snipping tool again. You want to go to new, and you want to go to the very top corner, select the plus, just kind of like that. Then you want to drag it in. Oh, sorry, it's my phone. And then there, so you got the snip there. How do I rub that out? Hold on, I just need to move this to get that. Okay, let's move you guys back up here. Okay, there we go. Now you want to save this. As you can see, I've made a couple of t-shirts already, so I like to call mine t-shirts. Then whichever one this is my 5th one making it. So yeah, t-shirt 5 has been made. Oh, make sure you save that to desktop as well. Yeah, so it should be about here. Ooh, where did it go? I just lost it. Oh well, it's not like I'm gonna use it again anyway. Oh, there it is. So just put it anywhere, and go back to roblox.com. Make sure that you might have that open already. So yeah, make sure you go and follow me. It's CPT31 Awesome Gaming, and remember you don't need Builders Club to make this. So you want to go to develop, and then you want to go to t-shirts. Then once it's loaded, you want to choose the file, and if you save it to desktop or wherever you saved it, go and find it. So it should be somewhere in there. So it's minus there. Then you want to open it and name it whatever you want. So I'm going to call mine cool. So call it like whatever you want. Then I always put a little dash thing, and then you just call it that. Upload it, and that's pretty much it. So it will take a bit of time to upload onto there. So I'm just going to show you with one of my other t-shirts. So yeah, you can go to edit avatar. Then you want to wear it. It will take a bit of time since it's a brand new t-shirt. And yeah, you'll be the only one on Roblox wearing that. And if you want to like do this with it, so it looks a bit cooler. And look, you've got like yourself a cool little jacket. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a game. So let's just hop onto jailbreak servers. I'll go into my VIP server, and yeah, it's pretty cool. You literally don't even need any Robux or anything. So like that, you can basically make yourself look like you have Robux, but have none. So yeah, that's pretty cool. How long have I been recording?